Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained default inclusions. In this video, we will explain default notes. To access the default notes page, go to the left-hand side menu, click Quotation, then Defaults, and select Notes. Default notes are used to store standard terms and conditions that are commonly included in quotations, so they do not need to be rewritten every time a quotation is created. These notes usually include important legal and operational information that should appear consistently in all quotations. On the left-hand side, you will find the list of saved note templates. Each template can represent a different language, such as English, Russian, Spanish, or Chinese. You can select any template from this list to review or edit its content if needed. On the right-hand side, you will define the details of the selected note template. At the top, you can define the name of the template, the language, and you may also add notes for internal use if needed. Below that, you will see the structured sections of the terms and conditions. Each section represents a specific part of the quotation notes. Typical sections include cancellation policy, travel insurance, check-in and check-out times, and governing law. Now let us see how to create a new terms and conditions template. Click New. Then enter the template name, for example, European Group's Terms and Conditions. Next, select the language, which in our example will be English. You may also add notes for internal use if needed. Then click Save. Once saved, the system will automatically generate a serial number for this template. Now we can start adding the policy sections. Click the green plus button. In the subject field, enter the policy title, for example, Rates. In the description field, enter the policy text. You can repeat the same process to add additional sections, such as cancellation policy or travel insurance, depending on the structure your company uses in its quotation terms and conditions. Once the default notes template is prepared, it can be used later inside the quotation module. This completes the default notes section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.